Hello everyone, my name is Kushal. So in the last video, we discussed about our five fundamental data types, that is integer, float, complex, boolean and string. So all these fundamental data types are immutable data type. Now you may think that what is immutable data type? So there are basically two types in the data type, that is one is immutable and another is mutable. So immutable is that data type which does not change its value, means it is unchangeable, and mutable which can change their value, means it is a changeable data type. So if you try to change the value of immutable data type, then a new object is created, means a new memory is used for that object. So moving forward, we will discuss now our next data type, that is list data type. So here list data type is a immutable this is a mutable data type, sorry. List data type is a mutable data type, it means it is a changeable data type. So what is the definition of basic definition of list data type? The basic definition is an ordered mutable heterogeneous collection of elements where insertion order must be preserved and duplicates are allowed. So you may ask, when we use this list data type, so if we want to represent a group of elements as a single entity, then we use the list data type. So list data type is represented by square bracket. So here insertion order is preserved and duplicates are also allowed, and it is heterogeneous, so we can store any value in it. Suppose I store here integer, float, then one boolean value, then one complex value, then duplicates are also allowed here. So I again place here 2.3 float value. So all heterogeneous value are there. So and insertion order also preserved, it means indexing is possible here. So this is all about list. And if we check the data type of here L, then it gives the value as list. Now what we discuss in string, that we can access the value from the string. Here also we can access the value from the list also. Here also uh, accessing by using slice operator is possible, or accessing by using index method is also possible. Suppose I want to access here this value, true value. So what is the position of this? 0 1 2. So L of 2 gives me output as true. Similarly, if I want to access all the values of list, but in the reverse order, so I just start index 0, end index uh, 0. It means I didn't specify here anything at start index and index, it means all the value it takes, and here at the step I write -1 and just run it. Yeah, I got all the values in the reverse order. So this is all about the list data type. Thanks for watching.